How to find your PIN in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about finding your PIN in Roblox. So simply follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to open your Roblox application, or you can go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and go to Help that you will find beside the gift card. Now in the search bar, type in PIN and hit enter. Go through all these articles over here and then click on I forgot my PIN, and then scroll all the way down and go to Contact Us option. Click on Support Form, and this will open the Roblox contact information page. From here, simply enter your username and first name, which is optional. Then enter your email address in the first and the second field, which is associated with your account. Select the device that you're having problem on, and also select the type of help category. Now in the description box, simply describe your issue. Explain that you forgot your Roblox PIN and you cannot access your settings. Request a PIN reset. For example, I forgot my Roblox PIN and I can't access my settings, so I'd like to reset it if it's possible. And then click on Continue, which is highlighted in black color. And this will send an email to Roblox support, and they will guide you through the process of resetting your PIN in 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.